You want healthy, strong, and long hair for your little one. Learn how I create a protectable style mini braids for princess. This keep her hair safe and beauty, and is helping us to be growing her hair. So stay tuned and watch to the end. But before that, if you know that you haven't subscribed to our channel, this is your first time across this channel, please kindly do us a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it, and share for us. To my returning subscribers, I cannot take you guys for granted. So what we have to do, let's start the video now. Okay, my people, before starting how to make your hair, I always make sure to wash my hair, do the necessary things. What are the necessary things that I'm talking about? Like, for example, if you make your hair protectable style, let's say your hair is with protectable style, you open it. The necessary thing that you need to do to protect your hair from breaking and from shedding. After all finish everything, the day that you are going to make another protectable style, what you need to do, you have to moisturize your hair very properly before start to do your hair again. Don't just take oil or hair butter and rub inside your hands or your palm and use to rub your hair thinking that you have moisturized your hair, not knowing that you did not do anything. You just add oil to just add it shine, not for it to help you to prove anything from your hair. So what I do is I always make sure to do good moisturize into princess hair during the time that I'm going to make her hair again. I'm not professional, I'm just using her hair, learning how to do, but I know the way I'm doing, I can prove myself one day. Who knows, I can prove myself making nice beauty styles. But I only promise myself that I don't want to hold her hair that will cause damaging, will cause hurt, will cause pain to her, because all those things to make the tight protectable style, it's also causing damaging to your hair, causing damaging to your scalp. So always make sure that the protectable style you are going to do is not going to be like something tight ones. So now I'm moisturized. After moisturizing, now I'm adding my butter into the hair. Normal the scalp, when I finish, I'm going to use oil, infusing oil for the scalp after I finish the hair, after I finish making the hair. But for me to do it like this, I will use my leave-in spray and my leave-in conditioner and hair butter. The hair butters are light hair butter because I've been saying it in my videos, princess is having low prostate hair. So low prostate hair, their oils are always light, so that is why I am not putting heavy oils. But this time around, something that I want to know, please, if you are watching me and you are also a hair care influencer and you have any idea, or if you are not influencer, you even have idea about hair very much, please let me know, because I noticed something that I don't want to say everything now, but I will say it so that people also will help me, or to add their opinion, or to add their opinions. Normal, my daughter hair is low prostate hair. When I started, it was low prostate hair, but this time around, when I open the hair, I check it again, because all the time I'm checking to see whether the hair change or it could not change. It's always low prostate hair, because low prostate hair, if you check low prostate hair, their hair is always up. It's not going down, it's not going middle. So when your hair is up, it means you are having low prostate hair. Good, so eater. So it means you have a low prostate hair. So when I checked this time around, my daughter hair was under. It just go down like they put stone inside the water. Please, princess, stop, okay? Go so. Hey people, anytime when you are going to do, I was talking about my daughter hair, the hair type. So now when I check, it was like high. I don't know. I'm not all that sure, but I'll check it maybe after 3 weeks later, because now I'm making the protectable style. 3 weeks later, I'm going to check her hair again. When I'm opening her hair, I will check it again and see, is it still the same thing or it just changed. So we'll see everything maybe by 3 weeks time when I check again. So while you are doing, always make sure to wash your hair. I know we always washing our hair while we are doing our hair. No one cannot tell me that, oh, I'm making my hair but I'm not washing. You wash your hair, detangle your hair, moisturize, put moisturizing butters, leave-in in conditioner. Make sure to moisturize your hair very well, because protective style, the use of doing protective style to reduce manipulating your hair, because some of the manipulation is breaking hair also. For you to limit your hair breaking, damaging, when you make the protective style, it's helping you to keep your hair safe. But we have manipulating protective style and we have protective style. Why am I saying that? There is some protective style that when you do it, they will do protective style all right, but they don't protect the hair end, the end of the hair. So if you don't protect the ends, definitely you may get break again. And the most important is the ends that we need to protect, because the ends, when you are protecting your ends, that will make the hair getting longer. When you want to see your hair getting longer, unless you protecting the ends. Otherwise, when the ends is started breaking or shedding, you may not see the longer hair that you are looking for. So that always protects your hair from end and everything while you are doing protective style. And another thing that I'm going to add to advise people, always don't make tight protective style. Even if you are going to make your hair from hairdresser, and the owner or the people who are doing the hair, they're going to make your hair very tight, tell them they should lose your hair. They shouldn't do the hair so that your front hair will looking like a mirror, so that everybody can be seeing your front hair, seeing themselves inside your hair. That's not good. It's also causing damaging to our hair. Let the person, those who are doing, they should make the hair relax, because the most important is not for damaging your scalp, because those things are damaging. It's causing damaging to our hair. So you need to do what? You need to tell the person not to make it too much tight. So, and one thing I'm going to add again for making protective style, always avoid the gels, the chemicals gels that they are putting. Yes, my love. The chemicals gels that they are poking. They may put too much gel into your hair. It's also not good at all. It's not good for them to put too much gel into your hair, because you may go to some hairdresser for them to make their hair, or you are looking at some people, they will just take the gel, put it in their bag, their handbag, started putting all the gel into your hair. They are spoiling your scalp. They are spoiling your scalp. There's not any benefit for that. So tell them, even if they have shea butter or something butter, they should use butter than using the gels into your hair. Like for example, my daughter, I always use butter. The butters that I make for her hair type, that's the mango and avocado butter. Even when I'm doing, you guys, you can notice that when I'm doing the ends, I'm using my hair butter to seal the ends. Yeah, this is the hair butter. That's mango and avocado hair butter I make for my daughter. So I always use that butter to to seal the ends. So guys, you can see how I'm doing, how far we just go. I don't know, princess, how far is going to this hair. Are we going to make it? Because nowadays, if she just sits more, she's getting anger and she doesn't want to sit. So the video was too long, so I just do what I forward the video. Oh my god. So guys, sorry, my daughter, now she's saying I shouldn't put my hand inside. That's our drama time now, because anytime when I'm doing her hair, when I'm doing hair mask, or I try to massage her scalp, if she doesn't want me to put my hand inside, this is the way that she will start doing. I should help you to do what? No way, daddy will talk. So she started shaking. Now she has calmed down and we have continued again. So always make sure to divide the hair also. Don't leave the hair like that and be cut, as you guys can see. You can divide your hair maybe 3 sections like the way I divide it, or you can divide it into 4 sections or 2 sections. It's up to you, and twist it the other side. So don't leave everything like that, so that what you are doing, it can not by mistake, even all the hair one is scattered with each other again. The child, while you are starting to cut the hair, the child must be maybe feeling pain for the hair. So always take it gentle with your child while you are making her hair, or you yourself also, princess, please, or you yourself also, you need to make your hair gentle, because you are trying to grow your hair. You are not fighting with your hair. You are not trying to put damaging into your hair. So this is how far we come, oh my people. This is how far we have come. And I was trying to cut it big a little bit, because if not, I don't want drama to start between me and princess. Now she's so tired. I know she want to get down. She'll be telling me, I think this girl, she get down more than 10 times. She always say she want to urinate, she will dulum, mama dulum. So when I remove her and take her. When she said dulum, it means she want to pee. So I remove her, she want to urinate. I remove her, I took her into the bathroom. She started sitting, she will not get up again. She will be sitting. After I say, okay, princess, please, let's go back. I'll pick her. Come. It's not going to take 5 minutes. This girl will tell me again she want to pee. She want to poo. Dulum, yeah. I'm coming. Dulum. My people, we are back again. So yeah, it's kaput. So she always saying she will do this, she will do that. When it's comes like that, you have to just be patient with the child, because I need something from her, because if she doesn't allow me, what can I do? But anyway, so always do the tips of how to grow your hair, to keep your hair safe from damaging. Always be nice to your hair, always be gentle to your hair, pamper your hair, pamper your scalp. Don't let people hold your scalp like they are fighting with your scalp. Don't let people hold your hair like they have a problem with you and the hair itself. So that will help you to grow your hair. But if you make tight, protectable style, one, you may get scalp, your scalp, you may get some damage from your scalp. And if your scalp is not good, you cannot get your hair cannot grow, because hair growing always starting from the roof. It's always start from the scalp. It's not coming, hair is not growing from the hair, it's growing from the scalp. That is what I'm going to tell you people. That's the tips that I'm going to tell you people. The scripts are behind of hair growing journey. Always keep your hair to be moisturized. Don't say you have protectable style or you have mini braids, so you don't need to wash your hair or you don't need to do anything. You always need to wash your hair. At least, for me, at least every 1 week I'm washing it, because you can see how I'm putting the oil into my daughter's hair. So with these oils, how can I be continue doing like this for a good 3 weeks? No, every week I'm washing her hair. 2 weeks, I'm washing it 2 weeks. The last 3 weeks, I make hot oil treatment before even open it. So after open it again, after doing hair mask and everything, I'm doing hot oil treatment to hair again. So with this way, after I put the oil, the next thing I'll just use my hand to pamper, to be gentle, massage the hair and massage so that the oil go into her scalp. It's all absorb her scalp before we tie the sideways. So now she wants to get down now. She's so tired and I can see that she even try. Yeah? So now what I'm doing, or what you need to do, because when I'm saying, I told you guys we have protectable style and manipulating style. So there are some hair that when you just do it, just because of my daughter said I shouldn't put my hand inside again, I'm trying to hold it. So now you can see how I do it. When they say protectable style, the ends also, now I'm trying to protect from the ends, because I'm looking for towels to grow the hair longer. I don't want the hair to stay the same length. I want the hair to get longer and beautiful. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to protect the ends. How am I doing? I use my leave-in spray. I spray the ends. No, I'm going to use hair butter and put inside. So after that, I twisted it this way just to protect the ends, so that the ends will not get scattered or any damaging will not cross it. So when you do your hair, always protect the ends. That will make your hair grow long, because your hair can be growing, but the length, how to maintain the length, you don't know how you are going to do to maintain the length. Because if you don't protect your hair ends, you will never get the length, you will never get the long hair. Your hair will still at the same point without going forward, because you don't protect the ends. So that's how I'm doing. Please, how did you see my protectable style? It's neat, right? It's neat. How many points you guys are going to give me? Please write it in the comments below. If you watch it up to this point, please let me know how many points are you going to give me. 10 over 10 or 100 over 100? How much? Just tell me in the comments below. And don't forget, if you watch it up to this point, may Allah bless you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys granted. May Allah bless all of you. So now this is the way that I'm doing. After I finish everything, she want me to open her tablet for her. So after I finish everything, I put my butter to seal the mouth, but still I did not hold it down. I did not hold the hair too much tight. As you guys, even the bangles, the wrapper, the hair clips, the hair clips also, I didn't hold it tight, because if I hold it tight, maybe it may hurt her. So I just do it nicely. She's saying bye bye to you people. So how did you see my daughter hair? How many points are you giving to me? It's neat, we try. Her mother is learning. I'm learning. I'm growing my daughter hair at the same time I'm learning. It's good for us to learn. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.